Hi everyone! Okay, now I'm going to show you how to complete the class check-in. I think this is something that we'll do every week at the beginning of the week. This just gives us a chance to communicate with one another. I can hear from you, and I'll also know that you are actively participating in class. So this will be another participation grade for the week. So I'm going to explain to you how to do the class check-in. This is the one for NTI week 1. So the first step is to just make sure this is the right slideshow for you to work in. And then you will go over to slide number 2 for the directions. The directions say duplicate slide 3 and make it your own. Then comment on 2 other slides. And then right here should be the video that you clicked on that I'm currently making now. So it's really important to duplicate slide 3. Don't go over to slide 3, the template that I've made you, and edit it in any way. Don't do that, because then no one else can complete their assignment. So what you're going to do, and most of you probably already know how to do this, is duplicate the slide. I'm going to show you in case you are unfamiliar with this term. If you have a mouse, you right-click. If you don't have a mouse, you have a trackpad. So for the trackpad, you're going to take 2 fingers and press it down. That's how you right-click. And you hit the word duplicate slide. So you're going to go ahead and duplicate it. And then I would like my example to be the first slide that you see after the directions, which means you would need to take the slide that you've just created and move it down, preferably to the end, so that everyone who's done it before you, they will be before you. So just drag it down all the way to the end. The way that you do that is you press on it and you just drag it all the way down. So then what you do is you edit the slide. So this is pretty self-explanatory, but you just click on a word and you delete the words, or you can double click it to select a whole word, delete, and then you're going to add your name here. Make sure you have your first and last name so I know exactly who you are. And then for this box, after you read it, go ahead and hit delete or backspace on your keyboard. I don't want to see my own words. I only want to see your words and your pictures. So right here, I would delete that and then add a picture. You could go to the next tab and find a picture. Maybe you wrote a song over break. So you could type in something like music. I don't know what kind of instruments you would play, or maybe someone singing. Find that and then copy it and paste it into that slide. The way you would do that is find your picture and then right click or double tap to copy it and then paste it back in here. You could upload a picture of yourself. So the way that you do that is you go to insert, and it's either or situation. You don't have to do both. Image, upload from computer, find your picture, and then you're going to hit open and it will appear on your screen. My computer is slow. Okay. So I would just hit the picture that I want. After it's loaded, hit open, and it would be exactly where I want it to be. The other option is to add a Bitmoji. If you don't have a Bitmoji on your computer, on slide 2 right here, I have want to create a Bitmoji. Read this article here. It tells you exactly how to do it if you want something like what I did. And then once you have the Bitmoji Chrome extension, you just go up here to Bitmoji and you copy the one you want by the same way that we've already talked about and paste that in there. Then I'm about to run out of time. You answer these questions and that's it. That's the whole assignment. If you run into any problems, text a friend before you email me because they probably know the answer. You don't have to write that much, just enough to fill up most of the space on the slide. All right, so that's pretty much it. Bye.